Just arriving at an estate sale in Oakland City. And pretty happy to see a lot of people here. People coming in left and right, so that's awesome. So let's go look and see what they got. That was my first. Okay, let's go up here. The auction starts at 9:30 and see if we find anything we just can't live without. Looks like some big buyers here. Ooh, maybe I just get to look, but that's okay. That's very much okay. I'll come and see the two sisters that came and see me, and we will go from there. But they do have the house locked up, so that's good. So, oh my gosh, where do you start? Okay.
Arrived.
Okay. Oh, they even got food. Looks like food. I don't know. Maybe that's where you sign up. Wow. What the heck? See a little stuff. Oh my gosh. I see little stuff. Oh no. Oh wow. Okay.
What do you think of all this?
Oh my gosh. I know the two sisters. Where are they at? I know two of them.
I could not tell you.
Okay, that's okay.
One this morning.
Oh, this is, oh, yeah. Where are the numbers on this so I know? Or we just, did you guys number it?
We don't have
For
to
the
because
auction?
it's all one person.
Oh, okay. So we just gotta wait for it to come up.
That's it.
Perfect, perfect. Yeah, okay. Check this out. Oh my gosh. It's a whole collection. Let's see. McDonald's. Oh, I shouldn't have did that. Oh, hey, I messed this up. I'm sorry. I was trying to.
That's perfect.
Doesn't match my hat nor my shoes.
It's no big deal. No big deal
It's
at all.
supposed to go the opposite way.
That's
I was trying to see a name, but I found McDonald's on it.
Huh?
I love this. Wow. Okay.
All them yours?
They were.
You got them marked, huh?
Yes, I do. I'm ready for them.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Make it.
Okay.
Almost did.
So, the thing here is the mother passed away about a year ago, and they're just now liquidating. Here's one of the sisters. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Hi. How are you
I'm
today?
Good. I'm good. Oh, I'm so happy.
There's
I
a
prayed.
lot of stuff.
I prayed. A lot of people
Isn't
would
it
be
beautiful
here.
though?
Yes, it is absolutely beautiful. Where's your other sister?
She just went back in the house.
Okay.
I think.
Okay.
I don't know where she is now.
I'm doing a YouTube video.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. I like doing it.
You're doing a GoPro.
Yes. We're pros, but
I've
we're
been
not
watching
good.
those online, son.
Oh, I tell you, I love learning.
You get ideas.
Oh yeah, yeah. So, I went today. Yes, I did bring some money with me.
One of them.
Okay. Look at that. Yeah. So the ladies came in to yep, we got some milk glass. The ladies came into the store
Aren't you glad you got that other one?
and
Those eggs.
Alabaster eggs.
so
I know.
I told them I would be here, and I'm here. Okay, this may be, I don't see any markings, but
That's a Westmoreland.
yeah, yeah.
And there's lots more Westmoreland here
Yep.
somewhere.
Oh, I'll find it.
But that one picture mole on this side, I absolutely love it, but
Yeah.
I don't have a place for it.
Oh,
And
Beautiful.
I want a bigger place, so.
I understand. Okay. And that does have a marking on it. That's a number 4. So, Mickey Mouse. Oh, Mickey Mouse is always cute. Oh my gosh, it's Disney. I know. Okay. I think there I see the other sister. I'll have. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay. Coming around. Okay. China is absolutely beautiful, but it's so hard to resell. Even though she has the complete set, it looks like it's just so incredibly hard to... Now here's a Westmoreland. This is in the book. This is absolutely in the book. This is a piece I was looking at yesterday, and it is a Westmoreland, and it doesn't have any chips, any cracks. It's absolutely beautiful. So, it's going to be hard to grab some of these because these are going to go fast and probably high. So, yeah, that's a beautiful Westmoreland, and it's got stickers on it as well. Oh, look at this.
Oh, I might help a little bit, John asked.
Yeah.
Depression glass right here. This is a pink set. Oh my gosh. Oh, I wonder if I didn't bring my glow in the dark. Okay, that's Avon. I forgot a couple of things when I came out the door. Oh, there's more depression glass right there. Okay. Okay. We'll just keep going down one side then the other. That's how we'll do it. Oh, here's some plates. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. It's beautiful. Those plates are gorgeous. Oh, some more. Oh my gosh. Oh, I wish Rob was here. I wish Dad was here. Gosh. Dad would so enjoy this. So enjoy this. No cracks, no flea bites. Everything so far I've touched. I gotta have these. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Gotta have Shirley Temples. Just got one of those the other day. Gosh darn it. Oh my god, it is a very sought after collectible. Wow, I love this. Oh, look at this. They told me about that bowl. They told me about it. I know. Okay, got a couple of these already. Oh my goodness. Okay, some bat. This looks like Westmoreland. Yeah, this, oh my goodness. Yep. That's what I just found in the book. This is what I just found in the book. Some eggs. Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, no chips, no cracks. There it is. That's what they told me about right here. This is what they told me about. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Two rings, yeah. Have one back, or one up here and one back there.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. Jesus mercy, man. Okay. Up, I got one of these at home. Got one of these at home. Fitting. Oh, I'm going after this. Going after. Look at these. Oh my gosh, guys! The mother of all mother loads. Hope I brought enough money.
She teaches with Jim Skelton. He was a friend of mine. We were in service together in 1955 to 57.
What's your name?
David Hillenbrand.
I remember that name.
Yeah, we were in service together.
Okay.
Guess I better go get registered.
Oh, his brother.
Joe Silver.
Oh my gosh, here are all the cookie jars they told me about.
I think he is.
I don't, wow, this is absolutely beautiful. I love the Depression glass. This may be Lancaster. This may be the Lancaster, the real deal. Got to find out where that piece was made that I've got. Okay, so let's get back over here. I just don't know how this is going to work out. Jesus. Okay. Wow. Oh, they got some black glass. Wow. Oh. Girl, what are you doing? Is that you? No, I thought you were the other sister. Okay. This black glass is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, I like that. Oh my gosh. I don't understand how they do this. There's so much.
But boy, if you do find something that's actually rare.
Oh my gosh. I just don't know how you auction something like this off. It's so much. Okay, I just bought it. Jeez. I just did this. Oh my. Okay.